All right, just a quick note on 5.5 that I forgot to mention. If you look on YouTube for videos of planes landing, something like with keywords plane, landing, crab, something like that, crab as in like the animal, you'll see an example of exactly the problem that we talked about where you're flowing, where you have a river flowing, except it's the wind. So the wind is blowing this way, for example. You've got a runway, which is vertical like this. So here's my runway. A plane is coming in. It wants to land along the runway, right? It needs to move along the runway. So if the wind is very heavy, what's going to happen is the plane actually has to fly in that direction, right? So that it can stay, it can keep its motion in this picture at least vertically like that and stay on the runway, right? And so you can find videos of this on YouTube where they often have views or a camera here, and you can see the plane coming in and landing, maybe something like this, and the plane looks like that. The runway looks like this, and it looks like it's flying that way, but it's actually coming down and landing on the runway perfectly because the wind is blowing in this direction, and the airplane flying that way makes sure it keeps a straight course, right? So it's a pretty cool example of exactly what we talked about, except in a much more dramatic type of picture.